So Liverpool ChiroChem is a chemistry-based contract research organisation that specialises in the supply chain of pharmaceutical research and development, and we supply specialist components that we give to pharmaceutical research and development organisations who use them to rapidly and efficiently produce new drug molecules in a range of therapeutic areas. The company was founded in 2014. The co-founding team consisted of myself as CEO, a world-renowned professor in our area of specialist chemistry, chirochemistry, Professor Xiao, who in turn studied for a Nobel Prize winning professor in chirochemistry in Japan in 2001. Also my PhD and postdoctoral colleagues at the Department of Chemistry in the University of Liverpool was the co-founding team, who have a combined over 30 years experience in the pharmaceutical and chemical technology sectors. Liverpool ChiroChem's specialist products can be thought of as pieces of chemical Lego. They're building block components that we can produce and sell to the research organisations who can use them to piece them together with other specialist and non-specialist components, stick the pieces together, and depending on the combination can rapidly turn our components into new chiral drugs for neurology, for respiratory indications, or even oncology therapeutic treatments. Our products are specialist because they're chiral, and the concept of chirality is one that we're all familiar with. It's the difference between our left hand and our right hand. They're non-superimposable mirror images. Your left hand only fits your left glove, your right hand only fits your right. And drugs can be chiral, and when they are, the left-handed version of the drug has a different therapeutic effect in the body than the right-handed version. And this was highlighted by the example of the drug thalidomide that was used in the early 70s to treat morning sickness. And the left-handed form of thalidomide was successful as a treatment, but the right-handed form acts as a completely different drug and led to terrible birth toxic defects. And so the critical thing about LCC's products is that we can control the chirality and provide the customer with just the left-handed form or just the right-handed form of the component, and therefore the end drug that they require. So our products are aimed at the research, the R&D organisations of predominantly large, medium and small size pharmaceutical companies and the biotechnology sector. They also have an impact on the agrochemical sector as well, which is essentially making drugs for bugs rather than drugs for humans, but they need the same specialist components. And really what we're selling them is speed. If we can provide the specialist component to them in a catalogue or fee-for-service model, ready to go off the shelf, they can rapidly combine those components with others to rapidly produce new drugs and increase the chances of discovering a new hit drug molecule to progress into a treatment that results in better end patient care. The next stage for LCC is to continue its rapid growth and expansion that it has already implemented over the last 2 years. We've mitigated key risk factors. We have almost 100 customers now. We're selling our specialist components to them and also developing chemical processes so they can produce the end drug more efficiently. And over the next 12 to 18 months, the company will secure a second round of investment, which will allow us to increase our capacity, purchase specialist capital equipment and improve the skill and size of the team in order to carry out the research and manufacturing, and also to improve the development capabilities and the business development capabilities of the company and strengthen our relationships with the customer base on a global basis. Liverpool ChiroChem is growing its product range now. We're expanding the range and also the scale of the products we produce. We've seeded the market with small-scale, novel products with which our customers are already generating new drug hits. And so once they've got identified the hits, we need to supply them with both larger quantities and more variety of substituted variants of those products, so they can turn their hit into a full lead and optimize the drug and improve its properties. So we'll increase both the range and the scale of our products and production. Liverpool ChiroChem is aiming to secure a successful exit within the next 5 years via IPO or trade sale.